What's up, everybody? Welcome back to part 2 of the eBay clutch and flywheel install on my S13 240SX. If you guys haven't seen part 1, I highly suggest checking that out. In that video, we basically tore everything down, but we ran into a problem where I broke one of the flywheel bolts, so I had to order some, and it took a while to get here, but now we're finally ready to install the flywheel and clutch in the car. I could have gone with just stock hardware for the flywheel, but since I was ordering them online, might as well figure I spend the extra 20 bucks, and I ended up getting the ARP flywheel bolts. So these are supposed to be a lot higher quality, and hopefully they don't break like the last ones. We're also going to be installing a new transmission mount. I got it from ISR off of Injuku. Figured we'd do this while we're putting the transmission back in, just because it'd be really easy. It's a polyurethane mount and it feels pretty solid, so we'll see what it's like inside the car. The first order of business is to get the flywheel on, so let's do that right now. So we got the flywheel on. We torqued these down to 105 foot-pounds. We kind of had to just slowly tighten each bolt to center the flywheel on this thing because it didn't exactly sit on flush. But we got it on there. It's torqued to 105, and now it's time to put on the clutch. But first we need to clean off this flywheel surface because it got really dirty in the process. Well, we got the clutch on. When you put it on, you want to make sure that the flush side is facing the actual flywheel. Now we need to put on the pressure plate. Pressure plate on, and we torqued these to 20 foot-pounds. Now it's time to throw the transmission back in, do the bell housing bolts, starter, slave cylinder, all the other stuff, drive shaft, and then fill up the transmission. We're going to replace the throwout bearing while we have the transmission out, so we need to undo a clip back here, and this whole thing should slide off, and then we can press the bearing out and put the new one in. Hands are crushed, bud.
I need a freaking napper.
You need a napkin, bud? Don't have one for you. Just eat it. Just suck it off your fingers. Everything's all good to go, so now we're just gonna slap the transmission in the car. I'm gonna do a little time lapse.
A little bit more, bud.
You can't reverse. Brother.
What's up, brother?
Got the transmission in, but I broke one of the sensors, so we're trying to splice one off the new tranny onto it.
I'm trying to splice one.
Yeah, Sam is.
Bench your wrench. Excuse me, Tom.
Should we slap on the turbo?
Most.
You gotta connect the butts, bro.
You ain't connecting butts. They just ain't making connections.
We should just wire in. I can just weld a fuse to each side.
Just weld a fuse?
10 amp fuse to each little wire.
Pretty good. You know, you just lose fifth gear, you just gotta replace a fuse. It's good stuff.
Oh yeah, for sure. Get that real close up.
So Parker, when we start working on your S14, the one that's totaled.
Jesus, you put me on blast.
Rip.
Yeah,
It's not totaled.
I don't know.
It's not totaled, but it needs some help.
It's gonna take a minute.
Yeah, he's got a 95 Zenki, automatic. Ooh.
Had an S13
Buddy.
life before you.
Hey, we got a tranny right here. We got a manual trans. We could make it happen. End wrench. Well, I got a 19 short socket for you. Ah, here we go. There you go, bud. Yank the E, bro.
Hey, I don't know why I'm shifting with it.
What's up?
All your sensors are in. Time to go.
All right, no drive shaft. Just start her up. No tranny fluid. All right, we're gonna slap the drive shaft on, and then the shifter. What is this? Some
And the shifter.
Illuminati?
And then the shitter. We're gonna slap on the freaking shitter. Yeah! That sounds like a good time.
Jesus.
Oh shit.
Jesus.
I look like a psychopath.
You do look like a psycho.
I look like I finally just snapped and I just can't take it anymore.
Shitter. We're gonna slap on the freaking shitter. Yeah, that sounds like a good time.
All the
Okay.
sensors are
You
connected.
sound like one of those. You sound like one of those guys from South Park.
He does.
Oh,
Buddy,
shit.
your
Wheel Part 2.
R.I.P. R.I.P. I think she's okay.
That's so old. It's like 3 or 4 years old.
The archaic drank.
Oh, this one? That's from the Yukon trip. It's from 2013? 2014?
Look at the
2012.
expiration date.
2012.
Look at
That
the
thing's been in there for
expiration.
7 years.
Is it on the bottom?
Oh, there's some sediment.
Yeah.
It's probably hella good.
These right here are the real fire. Alright, time to slap the drive shaft in.
Yeah, because we haven't even, tightened the bell housing or anything.
Oh yeah.
Just go right to the drive shaft.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Drive it on a loose bell housing bolt.
Yeah, dude, you only need 5 foot-pounds on the bell housing. We all know that.
At least your flywheel has ARP bolts.
Yeah.
Anything else?
What's up with all you drinking water?
Number one thing you need
Health.
to do. Nope.
Oh.
This size.
You dropped the washer off,
Well,
buddy.
one of them's this size.
Buddy.
Here.
The nut came off.
Yeah, no, it's that size.
Okay. Look at this. Have you seen this? This is my tranny mount, dude. You move with your hands. It's so bad.
Oh, probably 9/16, huh?
To 14.
Or 9/16.
Yeah, 9/16 work better. Here you go. I got him. Faster than you could.
She's torqued.
Torque? That's a
I need a
spec?
9/16 end wrench, buddy.
That's a spec?
Okay.
Probably.
9/16
Is that the spec?
Coming through, layman.
Look at that technique.
Look at it.
How many foot-pounds till your transmission case cracks?
Well, don't put 130 on it.
Oh, we're gonna need some torque on these. Oh, I can hear it cracking.
Then stop.
Keep going a little further. There we go.
Yeah, just treat the trans like it's a crush washer. Once it starts crunching, you're good.
Once you see like a little lightning bolt right here,
Mm-hmm.
that means it's tight.
Yeah.
From factory.
That means it's for speed. As soon as you see the
Parker, the real question is, when are we going fishing?
fishing,
When are we going fishing?
fishing boy,
Catch some big salmons.
some freaking slaunchers.
Some hoggers. Face.
Why am I doing this shit? It's your tranny.
Cuz. You're my sidekick.
I've done the whole thing.
I know.
We gotta get the turpy angle.
The first person view. Okay. All of them are tight, but this one
The top one?
and the top one.
The top one's in.
Yeah, see?
A lot of people don't even slap that one in.
Simply not needed. When you're holding skids for such a hard angle, it just pretty much holds itself in.
Look at the thickness of that header, dude. Exhaust restriction to the max.
That's what peak performance looks like.
The vent hose. That's good.
Time for the tranny mount.
Solid engine mounts.
Alright, so we're here, just finishing up Benny D's car for him. Because he said he had to go spank his monkey. I don't know, something like that.
Should be goddamn Sammy D garage. I do all the work.
Fill her up with some Trusty Dusty,
Going name brand.
anti-rusty, Lucas, synthetic, Sai, 75 what? 90, Garaul, Franz, Deflube. 1 quart. Need a 2.4 quart for 2.4 liters of KA madness.
Do you want low flow or high flow?
Give us some mid flow.
Mid. Give her a sip, make sure she's good.
Oh yeah. Pure.
Fucking
The
gnarly.
purest. Okay.
Now start squirting that down in the hole. Don't miss.
I don't ever miss. Get some action on a shot.
Oh my god. That's so fucking gnarly.
Oh here, actually I got an idea. Give me that knife and we can just shotgun this bottle down.
Yeah.
Not even joking.
I don't have a knife though. I got skizzers.
You can blast her with the screwdriver.
Okay.
We're gonna do some. This is an advanced technique for filming called the two-handed method. Alright, boys. If you want your diff fluid to go in rapid, shotgun her.
Lucas makes a good bottle, huh?
Damn right. Damn right, dude. Alright. Take 2. Advanced method.
You broke the packaging.
Yo.
Here. Elk Ridge.
Elk Ridge.
The
Alright.
finest.
This is a advanced technique, boys. So you got your diff fluid going, right? Not fast enough. Give her a good old beat bop. And get her shotgun. Get that
Get the cross going. Yeah,
flow
there you go.
going.
Cross hatch. Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Perfect. Let's look at that.
Insert up. Chunk her in there. And shotgun her. You're going for the
You're getting my interior all crusty, brother. Hands look gnar. Yeah. So the boys hooked me up. They got everything all wound up, and we're gonna take this thing for a test drive. The clutch feels super light. It's kind of weird. Transmission mount vibrates a lot more than stock, but when I started it up, it didn't flop around like crazy. So hopefully this works okay. Ooh, it's like rattly, those bolts you put in. So now I just have to painstakingly wait 500 miles to rip on it?
Or just send it right now.
I mean, yeah, I could. No, I'm not going to do that.
I'd go 100 miles.
I'm going to give it more than 100. I'm going to give it like 250. Ooh, 250 cat. Oh, feels so much different. Alright, well, I'm not going to go on a long drive. I'm not going to rip on it. I just wanted to show you guys that it's working, and it's working good. So after the test drive, we ran into a problem. Exact problem we had last year when we got the hydro working is after using it 3 or 4 times, it just started seizing up. You start driving and it starts breaking. So I don't know what is going on with that thing. I replaced the O-rings. We've bled it 3 times. I don't know. We're going to have to figure out that hydro because it was really cool being able to use it, but it's not functioning right now. So that's unfortunate. But everything's working good. The clutch works good. Transmission mount is different, but I'll get used to it. The clutch is super light. I'm finally glad that it's not slipping and it's going to be able to be drivable again. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified when I upload my new videos. You guys have a great day.